Hey there, what's up? In this video, I'll give you a quick guide on how you can generate anime AI art in Leonardo AI. This is perfect for artists, content creators, or anime fans that who want unique AI generated characters or scenes. So, the first thing that you will have to do is you will go to your canvas editor, which is on the left panel of your screen, and then you will just have to basically wait for it to load. So once you're here, what you will have to do, it's really simple. So you will just have to select your to click your prompt box, and then now what you will have to do is enter your prompt, and you have to be specific. So you could include the character details, pose, background, and mood. And yeah, for example, let's say anime girl with blue big eyes, holding a mug of coffee. So yeah. So what you will have to do once you have your description here is you will just have to click generate, and your anime character should now be visible, should now appear on your canvas. So yeah, that's basically how you do it, and you could also select the style settings if it's available for you, if that feature is available on your plan. And yeah, that's basically just it. And again, you will just have to click generate and wait for AI to create multiple options, and you will just have to review and select the version that you want. And you could also make further edits here. You could adjust your colors, lighting, or add extra elements. It really depends on you. And of course, once you're done, you will just have to export what you've done. And yeah, that's basically just it. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, please make sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you, and have an awesome day.